Hey there, Rogers Motor Cars here. Today we're featuring this 2021 Rolls-Royce Ghost. This car is painted in Tempest Gray. Has a really pretty mandarin orange pinstripe. It's got the black wheels. This car has 1,300 miles. Clean Carfax, one owner. Got it right here in Houston. The interior on this car is black and mandarin orange. It's really pretty, very different than what else is on the market right now. It has the mandarin orange stitching in the seats, the monogram headrests. This car has heated and cooled seats, the V12, 563 horsepower V12 engine, 360 camera, driver assistance package, adaptive cruise control. It does have the shooting star headliner. At night, looks really pretty, and you can see the stars. I don't know if we'll catch one sitting here, but stars will shoot through there every once in a while. Adaptive cruise control, I think I said. Does have the comfort entry system. You get the all-weather mats. You also have the lamb's wool mats in the trunk. And why shut your own door when you can just hit a button? It does also have the umbrellas. Get that one too. Really neat color combination. See the lamb's wool in here. Very soft. The umbrella is also in the vehicle. All the books, all the keys. You have the remainder of the warranty still intact, bumper to bumper. Look in the driver compartment here. We have a massage seat. .360 camera. There's the mileage right there, 1,300. Push button start. Very pretty car. You can raise it and lower it. It's a non-smoker car, of course. It's just beautiful. The car was just serviced. It didn't even need it, but went ahead and did it anyway at Rolls-Royce. You can give us a call. You can text message us, email us. I will respond quickly to all inquiries. There's more pictures, more information, picture of the window sticker, all on the website, rogersmotorcars.com.